Hey guys, in this video right here that I'm about to show you, we want to put up a 40 by 60. Basically, I've been looking for online to see if anyone has any videos about how to put up a 40 by 40. Sorry, not 40 by 60, 40 by 40. And there is none, so I put together this little video right here. Make sure you guys go through it if you're looking at installing tents. It's not easy. If two of us on this one right here, we made a couple mistakes because we left some stuff. We had to go way back, so it took a little longer. But let me know what you think. If you don't, and also like this video, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, so we going to put up a tent. You can see Eddie's on top of the truck right now. It's that one van that we had. Don't do this at home. The poles were sliding and everything, so we're trying to get stuff together. Yeah, so we're trying to do that.
Now I see where when we bought this thing, where the footprints came from. I didn't do that. I was already like that.
He did that. That's not good. So we're on the way to do the tent right now. Had a little mishap, but on our way. Also, guys, this video is going to be sponsored by my affiliate links down below. If you haven't already, please go ahead and sign up for Acorn if you're looking to save some money, or join us on Audible if you're looking to just if you don't have time to read and but you have driving a car, you can listen to these books. All these links to be down below. These really help the channel, help me out, and help support the channel. So if it's something that you're interested in, please check it out. Other than that, let's get back into the video. So me and Eddie back at it again. We're at this new job. You know, we're gonna do a tent. That's not. We're gonna do a tent right here. We're gonna put up it's a 40 by 40. We're gonna start unloading everything, and we're gonna go from there. So we have the 4 pieces, the 2 big long 4-pole home posts, and the crown. So we're gonna start out with putting the tent together. We got the main pieces up for the 40 by 40. We're using this tent jack we got from Salina right here. We're doing it just 2 men right now. The more people, the easier it is. But we're using the jacket up so we can hold it up in the air. And now we're gonna start building down after we move it a little bit. With 4 pieces hooked to the crown. In between each piece, there's an open piece that we're gonna put the items that go to the arm, little knuckles. We're gonna put these poles, 4 of them. I'll put them in those little pieces up there at the top, and I'll show you how that is. So we got all these, basically the second longest poles like this right here. We have all these into the middle parts of the crown, between the more of the structured pieces of the pole. So this side should look right now. This is basically stage 3. We're about to start knuckling up the sides. You want to use this face hugger one. We're gonna put one of those at the end of each one of those. So we got one right there, one right there. And so basically on the second to longest piece, that's where we're gonna put these at. There's a little clip right there on this model. We put it in. And as you see this right here, we're gonna end up putting in this same size long pole right here, right here, and right here. And then with these right here, we're gonna leave these right here. Hey guys, so we're back here. We got this set up right here. We have to go back and get some more of those extra poles. The long ones right there, you need 16 of those. So now we're about to go ahead and put the crown pieces on. We're about to put the crown pieces on, or these kind of like pieces right here, right here, right here. Basically where all the really big poles are. We're about to put those on right now. Basically, they go like pretty simple. You have big pole go in the middle, this pole right here, go over to that one, this to that one, and your perimeter poles. You can see how you put it together real quick. The little pin at the bottom, get it into place. have you and your buddy, y'all each can be working on one side and doing it. Eddie got the lock. And this one right here. And they're gonna do that on all 4 of the middles. Sometimes you might have to push up on this little pole right here. See, and it's locked in. And that's how you do these right here. And anytime you have trouble, just go back to the little face hugger ones. Now we're gonna put in the second to shortest pole into this thing on the face huggers, on these 2, on each one. So it's 4 of them. And it'll be like that. And then we'll put a straight down a T on it. A T on that one. We're gonna do this on each one. Yeah. So all the ones you see, these, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Wait, no, this one right here are the same. This one and this one are the same. So you have the longest poles is not the thicker ones. So this one, and this one are the longest. This is the second to the shortest, and then the perimeters are the shortest around. And then your feet are obviously those. But we have them set up on all of them. You can see that. We're putting the corner pieces over there. We're about to scoot it over in a second. We're gonna put these end pieces in there now. These are the corner pieces. We're gonna put these in. Then we're gonna go from there. Put them on the corners. Eddie's already put them on the other corner. So we put the perimeter pieces on all the way around. And basically the frame is complete. 16 perimeter pieces. Now, all we're gonna do is put the tent top on. We already got tent jack over there. Just showing you around everything so you can see how everything's connected. So you see all the perimeter pieces on. Frame is done. Time now to bring the tent. So we just put the tent top on. We're doing the last things right here. We cleaned it off a little bit. But we're putting these stakes on so we can lift the side up. We stitched it right here. It's like a loop to another loop to another loop all the way over to the top. We looped it that way. We put everything in there. We tightened the corners. So when we put the tent top on, we drug it over. It was just 2 of us. We basically got slack. Pulled most we came out there, pulled the slack from here, and pulled it more up there, and get it over the crown, and get on top of a ladder, and kind of like shimmy it over. Now we're about to lift it up and put these poles in. But it's almost finished. It doesn't really take as long as we took because we had to go. We forgot a piece. Count all your pieces. Should be 16 perimeter pieces, 16 legs on the 40x40, and 16 of your longest poles besides your 4 main poles. Make sure you have all your pieces. You don't have to go back. Now we're using the tent jacks to get the legs underneath it. We got 5 already. We're gonna do 4 this way, and we're gonna do the last corner over there. We're using these tent jacks right here. And we put this in right here. Now it says just us 2 right here. Next to the pool, we're gonna stake it down, and we're gonna go from there. But we're gonna put all these poles in right now. So guys, let me know what you thought about this video. It's a little bit different. It's more tutorial, kind of more of the business side of it, everything that we went through. I'm gonna go down and break through a little bit in a second over just the cost of every single thing. But if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. Everybody get on to the screen right here. We're about to break down exactly how much it cost us to do and how much basically they paid for. Hey guys, so I hope you can see everything. I was gonna screenshot it, but I think this is pretty good. So this is basically what we did for the breakdown of everything for this event that we did. Is a 40 by 40, 6 cathedral side walls. There's a setup fee because we put extra fees on for not really setup fees for the tent. It's not really, not for the, but it's for the delivery for the extra the tent. And then we have taxes, we have delivery and pickup, damage waiver right there. You see the total ended up to be in $21.95.49. This is for one event. Took me and Eddie of actual time actually get done about a little less than 2 hours. Took us a little longer when we actually had to go back and grab the stuff that we missed, but it didn't take too long to put together and everything. But this is the breakdown here. This is something that you can do too as well. This job was a little bit further away from our warehouse, so that's why the delivery is a little more. It's like $300 in delivery. But we did set this up on a Wednesday and we take it down on Tuesday. This is kind of how we get everything set up. We have a lot of orders, so we try to spread it out amongst the day. The side walls, we actually didn't put on. They actually didn't want them on, but they wanted them there just in case. So we have these on here. But as you can see, this kind of break down the order. This is already paid. I don't want to show you guys their personal information, but still want to show you kind of our contract. We have a cancellation policy. We don't offer refunds. We have our delivery pickup policy. Kind of go through everything that you know about all that stuff. But yeah, it was at a house and everything. But yeah, so this is basically everything right now. Let me know what you guys think. As I said again, this is just a breakdown of kind of what we spent on this. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe, like I said before, and also to check us out. And just check out check out my YouTube channel. If you like the thing, comment down what you thought was interesting if you plan to do something like this. And also to look at those affiliate links. They really help me out. Like I said before, help me support the channel, help me do more videos like this right here. I'm trying to bring more videos to you guys to give you more information about the party rental business and other businesses you can start and really help grow and grow your network, same as I am right now. And we're gonna get into some more things as well.